What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P again, back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean Pennington Reviews. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. And today I'm doing a product review on the Johnny Slicks Beard Company. As you can see, I got the beard oil and the beard wash. And first of all, let's talk about the company. The company is ran by two gentlemen by the name of Johnny Slicks, which that's his actual name, which I can't believe, but hey, Johnny, if you see this video, I need documentation to prove that's your actual name, because that name is actually pretty cool. And the other gentleman's name is Nick Komalatos. And Nick, if I butcher your name, I am truly sorry. And this is a veteran-owned company. They both was in the Marines, and I want to give a shout out anyway to anybody who served in the military. I know I haven't mentioned it in the past product reviews, but I salute you. Thank you for your service. Thank you for what you're doing. And yeah, I won these two items from a giveaway. Actually, I didn't really know nothing about this company until I won the giveaway. And I won the beard oil, which is the Paradise scent, awesome scent. And I won the beard oil, which is a peppermint and tea tree oil scent. And let's talk about the beard oil. Beard oil is like more of it's like a candy scent to me. And if this is what pina colada is supposed to smell like, because I've never had a pina colada, I've never smelled one, then they nailed it with that. But it smells like it's sweet candy to me. It's an awesome scent. The only thing about the scent, it does not really last all day. I don't know if that's what they were going for with the scent, or like, but it does not, it's not one of them like lingering scents. It kind of lingers off after a while. And it's kind of a yellowish and clear tint. The oil is kind of more on the medium. It's not real thick, it's a real light oil. And like I said, the oil doesn't really last all day, but it's a good scent. It smells like a fruity candy to me. That's what I get from this. And the ingredients are coconut oil, Brazilian nut oil, sweet almond oil, tea tree oil, argan and jojoba oils. I say jojoba, but it's pronounced differently. And they kind of nailed it with this. Now the directions, it doesn't really say how many drops you're supposed to use. I use half a dropper because my beard is like, the texture of my beard is like Brillo pad. If I was to shave this off, I probably can clean pots and pans with my beard, and I'm being honest. And as for the beard wash, it's a peppermint and tea tree oil scent. And the ingredients are castile soap, castor oil, coconut oil, argan oil, peppermint and tea tree oil essential oils. And I'm gonna show you a routine using both of these, kind of like right now. We're gonna go to my bathroom and I'm gonna show you how to use these two items. Let's go. First, we start off by wetting our beard, and we get like a small amount of the beard wash and wash it into our beard. Make sure we're getting all the grime and the beard oil build up and the beard balm build up from previous days. And as you can see, the beard wash is more of a water-like consistency, but it works pretty good. And you see my routine, scrubbing, make sure I'm getting it super clean. And I don't know why I make these weird faces. I ain't trying to scare no little kids or anything, but make sure as you can see, I'm making sure that I really get my beard super clean. Scrub it, just make sure that I'm getting all the grime and the dirt and exfoliating my skin as well. Making sure I'm just getting it super clean, as you can tell. Getting under my neck and everywhere. Mustache, chin area. Just making sure that I really get it super clean before I apply my beard oil. And now we pat dry our beard. Make sure we get the excess water out. And now we're going to apply the beard oil. Once again, I said it's the Paradise scent. Smells like a fruity candy to me. I use half a dropper. It's a yellow and clear type color. I apply a little bit on the bottom, then I apply some on the top, as you're about to see. Make sure I'm getting really down to the skin so that my skin's moisturized, so that it don't dry out, so that you don't get split ends and breakage, you know, stuff that you don't want when growing a beard. Making sure I'm just really getting it, you know, getting it on my skin, not really on the beard hair, but making sure that I'm getting my skin moisturized. And now I'm about to do the second coating of my beard oil. Making sure I'm really getting down to the skin. And I'm just about done with the routine. Didn't really show the combing and the brushing part because that's pretty much different for everybody, because it depends on how you want to style your beard. I comb mine downward, and that's that. Once again, if you're interested in purchasing these two items, you can get them off their website. It's actually on sale right now for $29.99. It normally runs for $34.98, but they're running a sale, and it's the beard box, it's the beard oil, which whatever scent you want. This is the Paradise scent, and the beard, I meant the beard oil, and then this is the beard wash. Pick up these two items in the beard box, which I think is a good value because you get 2 ounces of beard oil and 4 ounces of beard wash. And this should last you a good while because it lathers up pretty good for if you use a small amount anyway. But once again, I highly recommend it for the scent. If you're looking for something that's gonna last, this is not really that type of oil, but the scent is awesome. The beard wash does what it's supposed to do. I recommend it. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. And yeah, I recommend Johnny Slicks. You can check them out on their website at johnnyslicks.com, or you can check them out on Instagram at Johnny Slicks. Just punch it in and it'll pop up, and you probably see the Johnny Slicks logo. And yeah, check them out on Instagram if you want. And yeah, I'm gonna sum up this video with yeah, I'm summing it up. Hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Enjoy y'all day. And please like, comment, subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.